Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a quick unboxing of this amazing 2025 January Crafty Crew Kit from Crafty Stamp Co. Now I just got this, so I wanted to be able to share with you what comes in this Crafty Crew Kit. Today is December 15th and it is the last day to order your January Crafty Crew Kit. So I'll be sure to put a link to where you can get that in the description box. I'll also put a link to a video that I posted using one of these fun stamps. So let's start digging in.
My wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean.
So it comes in this really neat mesh bag here, and let me see if I can give you the dimensions. This mesh bag is about 9 3/4 inches wide by about, let's turn this way, 7 1/2-ish, 7 1/4 tall. So it's a nice little mesh bag. And then you get all these goodies in here. So let's pull these out so I can show you. And we'll start with, look at these fun little embellishments. So your Crafty Crew Kit comes with 2 stamp sets, a stencil, some like embellishments. Look how pretty these are. These little hearts, strawberries, really cute. And also some pattern paper and of course the mesh bag. Now let me put these back away. They're so pretty. And then I'll show you the stamp sets and then we'll go through that beautiful paper pad, so you can see all the pretty papers. Now, as I mentioned, today is the last day to order this. No extras of these kits will be kept in stock. So head on over. If you're watching this later in the day, feel free to stop my video, go place your order, and then come back. But, oh my goodness, my hands are very staticky. So let's close this up. So here's our little embellishment. And this is filled, like this little container is filled to the rim. So then we have this beautiful stencil. And let's take this out. And I love how on the back it has ideas. So here's some ideas of how to use your stencils. Ink blending with blending brushes or sponges. Dry embossing with a rubber mat and die cutting machine. Spraying water or colored stain. Adding glue for a beautiful glitter effect. Applying different glazes and mixed media pastes for texture and depth. Or decorating clothes, cookies, or cakes. Wow, I hadn't even thought about using this to decorate cookies and cakes, but yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, let's get this out so you can see it. And let me see, can you see it on the white paper? You can. So all these nice little flurry of hearts, so pretty. Oh, you cannot see it there. Let's get something that is not white. Okay, there you go. You can see it on the blue much better. So here is this nice heart stencil, so pretty. And then let me show you, I'll put this back off to the side. Let me show you the stamp sets that come in this kit. So we do get 2 4x6 stamp sets. So pretty. And the little image on this one is what I used on the card in the video that of course I have linked in the description box. But let's take a peek here. Well, let me bring my little blue folder back. Nope, the white one looks better. Sorry friends. And so you can see here it has these lovely 2 images, a little girl here, this nice beautiful image of this young man, and then some wonderful sentences or sentiments. It says, "You're the person I want to annoy for the rest of my life, best friends forever, you and me, love you." and then XOXO. And I think this is perfect, just in time for me to make a beautiful anniversary card for my husband. Okay, and then our second stamp set, and let me try and open this one up. This one has all these nice little bird images. So you have this little birdhouse, and you have this branch with 2 lovebirds on it. A lot of little bird images, some hearts, and then this love sentiment with florals on it. This says lovebirds, and you have, oh, this little heart with, it's a lock, and then here's your key, and then these 2 birds holding a banner that says love. Very, very cute. I should probably zoom in now. All right, next, let's show the pattern paper. And guys, I have to tell you, look, it comes in this neat pocket so that we could store our pattern paper. I love this. You know, I might have to ask Crafty Stamp Co. where they get these sleeves. I like these to hold my pattern paper. But let's take a look at our pattern paper in the meantime. So this is the Vintage Romance 6x6 paper pad. There are 4 of each of 12 designs, okay? And it's double-sided cardstock. And let's take a peek. And this is a nice, sturdy cardstock, friends. But let's take a peek at the papers. I'm going to drag it down a bit so we can see both. So that one's hearts. Oh, look at this one. Has some nice script writing in the background and flowers all over. Birds here on some branches. Very pretty. Oh, I love this one. The script on the pattern paper. Here are some more roses. Some more hearts, kind of a tone on tone, kind of a weathered look on that paper. And then this one looks like it's, it looks like old magazine or newspaper clippings on there. Really cute. Some red polka dots. Look at these. These look like old postage stamps. So cute. Some red hearts here. And then some more script. This one's in red, kind of on a cream background. Nice plaid there. And I think this is where we repeat, right? Yeah, that's where we repeat. So again, you will get 4 each of the 12 designs. And these, like I said, nice sturdy cardstock. Loving that. So you'll see you get your 2 stamp sets, your pattern paper, your stencil. Put this back in the front. Your stencil, and then of course the beautiful mesh bag they come in, and loving this packaging for the pattern paper. Look at that. Slips into that sleeve. Easy peasy. Oh, such a great kit. So don't forget, again, today, December 15th, is the final day to get your order in. So get that order in. Get your goodies from Crafty Stamp Co. This is the 2025 January Crafty Crew Kit. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end, my friends. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.